Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll explain the best Charles Schwab ETFs for international exposure, and here's a breakdown. If you want your portfolio to reach beyond the United States and tap into global growth, Charles Schwab offers a few low-cost ETFs that makes international investing simple and smart. One of the best places to start with is the Schwab International Equity ETFs. It's on a broad mix of large and mid-sized companies in developed markets like Europe and Japan, giving your portfolio steady exposure outside the United States. Next is the Schwab Emerging Market Equity ETFs. It is also focused on fast-growing economies like China, India, and Brazil. Great for higher growth potential through with a bit of more volatility. If you want global coverage in one place, you can pair this or use them alongside United States index ETFs. That's why your money grows with market around the world, not just at home. All of these Schwab ETFs are known for low fee and simple diversification, which is ideal for buy and hold investors. If this video helps you, like the video, subscribe for more straightforward investing tips, and comment which international ETFs you like to add first. And that's it.